Hey, it's Justin here from Regal Mobility, and with Christmas right around the corner, our entire team has been hard at work decorating the showroom, and as you can probably see, getting into the holiday spirit. So here at Regal Mobility, we aim to carry a wide variety of scooters and mobility aids to help ensure you find the right products for your needs, lifestyle, and budget when you come visit us. So in the spirit of the season, we went ahead and we chose 12 unique products in no particular order from our showroom that we think have the potential to make a perfect Christmas gift for either yourself, a loved one, or anybody on your Christmas list that may be struggling with limited mobility this holiday season.
Getting us started, the first gift of Christmas this year at Regal Mobility is the Mobie Plus. Distributed by Enhanced Mobility, the Mobie Plus is a manual folding travel scooter designed to fold up in seconds for easy transport. The Mobie Plus is also extremely lightweight and features a fully FAA-approved 24-volt lithium-ion battery with a range up to 13 miles per charge. There's even an extra cutout just underneath the seat for a spare battery, so the Mobie Plus is always prepared to go the extra mile. This is a perfect Christmas gift for anybody on your list looking for a lightweight travel scooter that can be taken with them wherever they go.